to the show. All right, so what we're doing here. What's wrong with you? Just open up an app, man. So I'm trying. Let's see where we're at. We were at, yup. So this is a React Native app made with, it's a language app made with React Native, right? But I'm using cursor to beat the JSON data into shape so that it's palatable for my app. Right, so before, where were we? Right, so we were rummaging this data from a dictionary, right? So basically giving it a kanji like that and say, hey, why don't you give me all the words that are made with this kanji? But that's like the traditional path someone makes an app, really. Like all the apps in the market today have this. Like they're like, yo, and only this. That's my gripe about it, right? Like people becomes complacent when there's the competition. That's my problem with it, right? Because we only have that, nothing else. Like, so you've got like, so even some apps don't even have that, but some apps actually does. Like I haven't seen like a stroke-based thing, and so this is stroke-based, right? You can go ahead and say, hey, what are the one-stroke kanjis, right? And say, hey, what are the two-stroke kanjis, stuff like that. This is all coming from one single file, 3 megabytes JSON file. Let me show it to you, that file, right? Yeah, well, it seems, looks like we've already opened it. So that's the file, JLPT array. That's the file, right? There's a massive file. It's like 300,000 lines. Someone would probably ask me, hey, yo, at this point, get a SQLite file. But the thing is, I could do that, but I was like, you know, I was like, yo, let's just use JSON. And it's working. Well, so far I don't have any issues like with speed or anything. If I had, then I would probably utilize something else, right? But so there's 13 stroke kanjis. So this is like stroke based, and then you have grade based. Like, yo, do you know whatever is in grade A1? So okay, you like anime and stuff, but like, yo, this is grade 1 stuff. Do you even know that? Fortunately, I know all of that. That's forest. Okay. See, I'm not kidding. I know it. Mori, kono mori wa. The problem I have, I don't know whether it's my memory or what. Every time I hear a word, right, in Japanese, it's probably because I've been watching anime for 30 years, like 30, right? 30 years, like 28 years. I should say 28, 29 years, right? So every time I hear a word, I'm like, I know exactly where I have heard it. For example, let's show you the example, what I'm talking about, right? This is crazy talk, man. What's his name? What's this guy's name? Jeek running away, runs away from Levi, right? Check this out. Do I have like... Let me hear it. Guys, I don't want to burst it. So it's like, he says here, ちゃんと場所と時間と覚えてるかな。自分たちには全世界のせい。Over here he says like, この森。Once we're out of this. 全世界の勢力がもじき、この島に集結してしまう。Right? You heard it? So over here he says like, yo, konomori. And I'm like, it's crazy. Does normal people have it? Does anyone else have it? Right? But I have it. Right? I remember where I've heard it instantly. I think that's what's behind the popularity for sentence mining using Anki, which is a tedious job, and I hate tedious tasks, man. Anyway, so from here you have like your standard SRS system, right? Standard SRS system. By the way, let me see. Let me do something quickly. MongoDB Compass. I wanna check out something. Bundai flashcards. Just delete this. Flashcards. Drop this collection. Right, and then it's now nothing anymore. So I want to check something out, which is, so before we had this, like we made this new, you can now check out like the verse from different places, depending on where you are at, because I'm definitely past like info. I'm here in some of my words like here, right? So to protect Mamoru, right? I want to see what happens in here. What happens in here? So the one went in, quiz answers. Okay. Meanings empty. Meanings is an array, and now we have meanings. So I think it will break. Let's go to quiz. Now we have that because we just went there, and that went into the MongoDB database, and it has everything. The problem is there's no meaning. The reason for that is here. Right. What's that page? I think it's called Quiz Engine itself. Right. Either it's Quiz Engine or is it? Yeah, it's Quiz Engine. So the problem is, we either have to, there's another thing I need to do. I need to start making, so this is obviously one problem that we need to solve. We need to have, so the problem is coming from here. The mother object has the meanings in an array, right? So that's one thing. But everything else has their meanings in a string, right? So that's where the problem is stemming from. Now, what we can do is we can make the meanings a string throughout. And then solve it throughout, right? Solve it throughout. The problem with that is sometimes it has like the main meaning is not the first object. So to get the main meaning right is a difficult task. For example, yeah, 9, like these are like easy stuff. Actually, what am I doing? I can just scroll, man. Come on. Man, it's okay to use NeoVim, but doesn't mean that you have to like 9, right? Let me see. Person, that's used in, yeah. Tada no nada. Kami de wanai. Tada no nada. Population. Jinko. This word, Jinko, is taught in the first level in Wanikani, where you don't have to learn population, Jinko, because it's easy to learn kanji, so they teach you, because it's easy to remember and see, just a box, and then it's just something like that, right? And then say Jinko population. That's what they teach it. Do you need to learn Jinko, like the population, when you're learning a language, or do you need to learn the first words, what first 10 words to say iu, iku, I'm going. It's like, let's go, to come, kuru, miru, to see. And these are the ones, matte iruzo. I mean, we're way above. Deta ko yo, 知らないのかこの簡単が見えないのか I have all these enemy sentences in my head. I can't get them out. 聞こえない Mikasa says it. I don't know why I have that, man. Probably, I know why. Because I keep playing them while I'm coding. I keep playing them in the loop. That's why they're in my head. But anyway, so you can say 20. And these are the top ones, right? So, like, it has it's like on the first 50 words in the frequency list. So those are the ones you should read first. And I'm yet to see an app that does that, so that's why I'm doing it. So the app first and foremost, the app is for myself, and then it's for other people. So yeah, so what do we need to do? And this is one thing we need to handle, right? But another thing we need to handle is we need to make the pictures, the images for all these ones, right? Because we only have few pictures. We have these ones, but we need to make those ones too. I have figured out, and to do that, should I do that first? I guess, because it's gonna take a sweet time. It's gonna take a sweet ass time to do that. So we need to go here. What happened? No, nothing. Yo, what's wrong? What's wrong? Where's my Linux gone? Video capture. Is this screen capture? Video capture. Streamer X. Yo. That's what I want, man. My Linux stuff. I guess we don't have to see this. I mean, do I have to be like this big? Come on, man. But anyway, so this is it. This is the Linux, right? You know what? Yeah. All right. So we can SSH into this place and go to CD projects, file utility, right? Then I wonder, remove workflow claimation. I don't know which one is that really. Claimation stuff. But remove workflow, API no face, workflow flux and images, city output pics. This is in all right. Oh, we have pics, city pics, ton of pics. Do I really need that? I don't think so. I think we can delete it. Can we remove like pics from here? I don't think so. Oh yeah, we can. So we're just gonna make another one called pics. We just wanted to delete that. CD pics is empty. Okay. Now we need to go to desktop and then workflow API and then see what we have and then clay. Nice, I've made like a yeah, workflow API. Then I see workflow claimation, workflow API J Chinese. This is the one I want. This is really cool, right? It takes a bit of time, but this claymation stuff is also cool because this is faster, right? Let's just copy it here. Let's just copy it here, and then copy clay, copy like the other one too, the claymation one. So we have both claymation and flux. Now we can make it happen. What? It doesn't have Vim. No, like I haven't made the. So let's go there. Copy. This one is roughly a flux enemy. What? We don't want that. Claymation. Yo, where's the Chinese one gone? Come on, man. Copy. Chinese JSON. That one. Yeah, I need that. The Chinese workflow API claymation, workflow API Chinese flux. I need to check out Strawberry from ChatGPT. ChatGPT. Right. Comfy non-flux and comfy flux. We want to take comfy flux. Tadanoon aja. Oh, what's happening? Okay. The problem is, by the way, we do not have, we only have like one. Output clay pics, output pics, clicks. What we should do over here? It's just one though. Let me. Do I have it in here? File utility, comfy flux. Yeah, I have this. So let's just take this whole thing, copy it over. Wait, where's the thing gone? Yeah, here. Right. Wait, hold on. What have you copied in? Okay. Well, that's it. And obviously we have to delete this. But there's something else. We don't have these items and verbs. Okay. That's another issue though, right? Where am I gonna get that? Cause wait, what? What? Balloon? What? I just did this. You know? It's weird. Anyway. We don't have these. So, by the way, what was the prompt 6? Functional, Euler, K-sample. Damn, man. 42 for comfyUI stuff. Right, 45 is the node number. Damn. Okay. 45's input.text. Let's copy it up. Yarn inside the damn thing. Okay. So prompt 45. Inputs text. Change inside tag. Change inside tag. Change inside tag. The problem is I don't have like bangs on my keyboard. Okay. So that's it. Junior Clay, aircraft, and then we have our stuff. Prompt. Whatever the prompt is, Junior Clay, captured from a. As in. क्या से? क्या लोकस से? So this is. Shender है shit. I love kake. Okay, new take. My daughter just gave me this. I did. देखा जाए. Yeah. Okay, কাজ করো তুমি বসো items and verbs though. So the process I have is for each item I make a prompt suitable for that, right? I'm thinking whether I should do that right now, okay? But anyway, so the prompts will be coming from here anyway. Wait. Copy JLPT. Yeah, let's just open up cursor for a sec over here. By the way, I should have it inside scripts, but like it takes less time to do it via cursor than just find to the rummaging stuff. Make me a node script, right? Make me a node script to by the way, file utility should have make kanji only array, right? Make kanji only array. All used in words, kanji only. All used in words. That's a JSON. Add question answers to similar commonly used word, kanji only. JLPT. Where is the JLPT array gone? JLPT array. Yeah, I need. Is the frequencies here? Okay. This is JLPT array JS, right? Get top verbs. Yeah, I need this basically. That bit. Can you make me a list of verb meanings from this and write it into a file. Write it into a file. Yeah, just write it into a file. That's what I want. And then then what I can do is I can make it have like prompts make prompts based on that. So how many verbs is there? Like top words. So first 1,000, get up to 1,000 verbs. I wanna take like first 300. Actually, cause I don't know, like, actually give me. We could just change the stuff in here still. Verb meanings of txt. Yeah, let's have it. Let's just add a file here. Get verb meanings. Actually, I don't think it's prudent to keep this stuff anymore. Instead, we could just use this and get it on the fly. It has come to that point, really. There is something else. Are they streaming, by the way? The last 7 days. What's his name? No one streaming? It's only me? Okay. I thought Clifton was streaming. Anyway, so what's what? Okay. So let's just write it like, because right now I just want like N5 stuff. N5, let's see how many it says. N-verb count by JLPT level. See how many we have. It's a good thing anyway. So let's just run this. Node get verb meanings. Okay. Something's wrong. JLPT array.js, it is. Promises. What? Why is it FS promises? Dude, there's no reason to like complicate this more than it has to be. Okay. Come on. That is enough. Require FS. You don't have to import this shit. What are you doing? Why did you come on, man. Require. Yeah, do that. So because it's like importing one thing. Yeah, you can't import shit from there, man. Because we don't have like package JSON type module in package JSON. Why do I have to do that? Package JSON. Where do I put it? In package JSON. Where do I put it? Can't remember. Because I'm like just doing like data rummaging, I'm like can't be asked to do it properly, set it up and all that. It's like, where'd you put it? Type model there. Okay. Okay. It says a basic server some file utility. It's not meant to do like. Oh yeah, Lodash is not there. Yeah, and add Lodash. Man. Dude. Oh man. Because I never run the JLPT JS file from there. There's a problem doing that. Because I often. There should be an updated JLPT. Updated JLPT array with quiz. Yeah. This file. Hope if this has like frequency, this has type. Easy type frequency. Yep. Let's just use that because we can't be asked to do this. Let's just use the updated JLPT array with quiz to get stuff. Can't import it. Don't want to go through the hassle. You do it. Make another node script, bruh. Alright. Super fun. Absolutely. Yeah. Extract verb meanings. Just extract verb meanings. Don't do shit. Now, all we have to do is all we have to do is just run it, I guess. And now we have to get like package. I hate it. That's like model type. Is there a model type somewhere? Name. Where's the model type gone? Why did I copy that model type? Yeah, here. I don't need this shit. Sample verb meanings. Okay. N5 224 verb count by JLPT level. 224 vibe. N4 is 4. So verb meanings txt. Unfamiliar. Can you sort the verbs according to what is called according to frequency? Also, don't include any verbs with what any frequency null. They're coming in top. Because of having null in. Just because I don't like it. Remove verb meanings txt. Also, I need JSON. Yeah. Get verbs meanings. Right. Just give me the N5 verbs for now, also in JSON. In JSON, not in text file. So this is the part like Cursor has made my life easier, and it's worth $20 in my opinion, because it saves me so much time. It's basic stuff, I know it anyway. There's nothing I'm not gonna derive any benefit from doing it by my own hand. Okay, so there's no point doing it by my own hand, because these are just basic map filter stuff. I mean, so I just run it. Right. And 5 verbs, 25 verbs JSON, total 5. Okay. And 5 verbs JSON. I just need the meaning, man. Come on. Just the meanings in a list of meanings. An array of strings only. だけだ。ただの一つ array no strings だけだ。Right? Probably I made some mistake, but that's cool. Yeah, please take it out. Yeah. Also, don't have to like console log shit. Remove N5 node. Yeah. P N5 verb meanings. That's it. This is all I want. So I need to copy all this to where? Here? Here, I guess. Let verbs, actually you can do constant. Const doesn't really matter. Verbs. So these are the verbs. Now, items.length. So item, I guess. Item, I guess. But it's not 9, by the way. It's something else. Let's call it verbs. Items. Items, let's call it that. There's no reason to do verbs. Items, items. Base prompt, prompt. Right. I have to change the name though. Like, we can. So, file name prefix is at 42. Okay. We don't even have like file name prefix. Let's just run it. Zelize. We gotta make it bigger. More. Oh my days. Control N. Do that. Control P N. Okay, so over here we're gonna see env top, which is gonna show us what's the status of like what's the status of the app. Should I make myself a little bit smaller? Come on, man. People don't want to see your mug. People want to see what's happening. And there. Make us smaller. No, don't make me small. I love it. It shows my stuff though. Right? Damn. I'm gonna keep it. Anyway, this is why I make myself bigger. Stay there. Too much problem. Anyway, actually we can do it like this, so you can see what's happening. And file utility. Let's stay at file utility, and then we can come in. We need to go to gg comfy, and then comfyUI, then conda activate comfy new Python. So you're running the server with the Python server. I wonder if it's better to use replicate-like services, because you can host anything there anyway. Kind of like how Heroku gives us like all the Node.js stuff. Right. I wonder if that's something. I'm someone who'd pay for a little bit of life improvement. I'm someone like that. Okay? It doesn't matter. The whatever is easy for the end user, whatever is cheaper for you. Okay. So node comfy flux. Let's see what happens. There's an issue. Damn. There's an issue. What happened? Yo, wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Oh, my son. Unexpected token. CD projects, file utility. I'm like, I need like a, for my comfy flux. Oh, this is a problem though. Like, I need the file, so it's 42. It's 42. File name prefix. Okay. Oh, I know what was happening. We don't have the bangs. The bangs. My keyboard doesn't have bangs. Okay. Itamio. Yarn. Word. Okay. Should be alright now. What's wrong? Let's just run it here. Let's just run it here. Node comfy flux. What's wrong with this? Okay. Why I'm getting this exception? Let's fix this, buddies. Comfy non-flux. How about that? What's happening in here? Should I make it with non-flux then? For now, at least. So, you know, you can just make it with non-flux. Like Something definitely went wrong with the comfy non-flux. Change inside that. Comfy non-flux. We can run this, I guess. No, node comfy non-flux. Still same error. Why? Same. Comfy non-flux. What's wrong with it? আচ্ছা আচ্ছা এদিকে আসো, ওখানে যান, এখানে আসো, এখানে আসো। কে ওখানে? I don't get it. What's wrong with it? It is okay. Don't we have that fixed? We do have that. What's wrong with it? I don't understand. What's wrong? Why ain't it working? Everything seems to be in order. Comfy non-flux. Yeah. Let me check out if this is working properly. But I'm running like. Ah. Okay, I think I've got the reason why this is happening. Comfy flux enemy, comfy claymation flux, comfy Chinese flux. This claymation model, yeah, comfy non-flux, the claymation model. This is the claymation model. Should work in theory. Node. By the way, did we just do comfy non-flux or comfy flux? Come on, I have to like alias beam and vim to beam. Do I have to aliases in the Z file? Oh. Text. Yeah, this is what I need to do. Item claimation toy clay style. So yeah, we need this. Okay, node comfy non-flux. What's wrong with this? Oh, what? Prompt has no output. Man. Comfy non-flux. Come on. Okay. I think I know what's happening. I think I know what is happening. Projects. I know what's happening. Now. This will work now. The reason was we were in a different folder, and the model wasn't present there. I did nothing. 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 Hurrah! Hey yo. Oh. Hey. Hey. That up? Let's see what's this making. It's making it pretty fast. By the way, oh shoot. Sorry, are you guys like seeing that old stuff? Sorry. Now it's making it. So let's just go ahead in file utility pics. What? Oh no. Oh no. Comfy non-flux. Ikoze. What is this stuff called? I was able to like see stuff, but let's just go over here and check it out. Now we can go see projects, comfyUI. Actually, we're gonna see file utility pics. This is some bad shit. Look at that. This is bad. Some bad shit going on. Okay. I think we'll stop it. Stop it. This is bad shit. And we'll see like what do we need. Okay. We'll see what we need. Now, this one I really like. We'll have to delete all this. This is trash. This shit is trash. Right. What we're trying to, by the way, let me show you what I have done previously. Since I'm in this PC anyway. I was able to make stuff like this. Right, which is like really cool, in my opinion. Really cool. Right, this kind of stuff. And what I'm trying to do now is, look at that. Even this, like very toy-like stuff, and I really like the style. And this was done. And then we got this, right? This is really nice. So this is the clay model stuff that we were able to get. And I'm thinking, okay, I was trying to like get some Japanese stuff out. So this is, I'm just trying like different levels of how many steps. So this is like 10 steps versus this is like 30 steps. But I don't see much difference in it. Like why not just, like this was in the end of the day, I think this was like 5 steps. Right, so that's what we, and then I was just like, okay, let's see what Apple does. So it generated really good Apple. Cloud, it did really well with clouds. Aircraft, it did really well. So I'm like, and all this. Right, so I was like, okay, cool. So why can't we do that? All right, so that's what I'm trying to do, but I'm being met with horrors. So Chinese So this is that one. And if I go to like Flux, comfy Flux, I think this is the same one. Like I'm here, by the way. All right. Output, if we go like file utility output like pigs, and then even if I don't have this, can we, like, obviously we'll have to like close what we have, like flux, comfy non-flux, when file utility product. That's where I need. By the way, let's go to like the models. City, checkpoints, Juggernaut. Yeah, this should be okay. Conda activate comfy new. Python main py3. So we're like, okay, we're running that. Okay. And then over here, if we do like node comfy flux, so we're getting this error. I'm wondering what's going on. Let me, maybe the JSON file was wrong. So, oh man. Close it down from here. Close it down. Let's do like a basic env top. Okay, my server is fine. CD projects, ggf comfy, conda activate, Python, main py3, main py3, and then do what? Run it in another file. Which is city projects, file utility. City projects, file, node comfy flux. Yeah, okay, cool. Let's just see it from here. And qprompt, see what happens. Right, let's see if everything else is fine. It's going on, it's just 5 steps, shouldn't be that difficult to handle. I'm wondering just what's going on. Yeah, clay flux rank, everything is here. Everything is in order. So let's see what happens. Flux channel, it is going through it. Let's check out our stuff. Memory hasn't been loaded yet. Why? Like it's loaded like memory, but it's not loaded any graphics card. Okay, no problem. It's weird. It's weird stuff going on. Loaded completely, as you can see, stuff has moved down to here, and sigmas. So the model looks is working okay. That's the thing. The model looks like it is working fine. All right. That's the thing. Just because something runs in comfyUI doesn't mean it's gonna. Yeah, it is coming. It is able to. So a software developer with low self-esteem. Look at that. So VAE decode. It's Clifton streaming. If Clifton starts streaming, I'm gonna drop everything out. Yeah, Clifton is streaming. See, it is all right. Let me go to Clifton stuff. Let me go join Clifton stuff, man. This guy gives so much value. Joining in live. It's like I'm gonna go join this and I'm gonna come back to you guys later, bruh.